Dude, there's actually no way I f***ed that up so hard. Dude, are you kidding?
I've been ordering parts from China to cheaply upgrade my interior, and the first thing that arrived was my armrest center console thingy. But there's a problem. That thing gets installed in my cup holder, and I only have one cup holder in my car, and I am pretty addicted to caffeine and don't know where to put my cans then. But I think I might have a solution for that. Let's jump into the car.
Like, no joke, this just took me like half an hour to set up this shot. Like, nothing worked. I have the most janky setup right now. Can I show you? This is you guys right now. Sitting in my trunk because nothing else would work. So I drive this 2007 Skoda Fabia with this beautiful dent in the front fender. Okay, so I didn't think I would drive that car for as long as I do now and drive it longer. So now it's time to upgrade the car a little bit. As you can see, test can for later. And yeah, this is the only can holder, cup holder I do have, which is annoying. So this part is supposed to be made fit exactly in here. So the screws came with it. And now it's just time for test fitting that thing. Perfect, thank you guys for watching. Damn, that is so short. Not the first time I hear that. When I drive my girlfriend's car, I always rest my arm on here. It's an armrest, obviously, you weirdo. And that's why I wanted to have one for me. I found that thing for cheap in China, so I ordered it. It might be a little bit too short, but nonetheless, we are committed right now. So how do I even try and screw that thing on? Like, I would love to give you guys more perspectives, but I can't have my camera outside of the car because first of all, it's freezing. And second of all, I don't want it to get stolen. Can you even see me? I'm gonna, even though it's cold, I need to remove my jacket. It's so weird, all those people look at me like, what is the weirdo doing in here? Now I'm talking to myself, no one sees the camera or the microphone, even worse. Do I actually just fucking screw that thing in here? What is that huge ass? Like, that is ginormous. That is insanely big for a screw. That is so above average, isn't it? That hole is way too small for that screw. Can probably just break that. So yeah, that is to secure that. No, it looks like this is the right way because I don't think it matters. It actually matters. I just noticed. That looks way more fitting than that, right? Okay, yeah, it looks like I just can easily break that. Screwdriver! Gonna need a fat one for that. Body shaming in 2025. Could be me. I mean, couldn't. Or could? So many people walking by. I guess it is actually true. Like, I feel way more watched than I am. I don't think they even checked out that dude sitting in this car right here, like, once. So what you get is 8 screws. I don't know if it is washers or if you can cover up the holes with them. We gotta check that out soon. If I just start screwing in, there's no way back, right? That is way more stable than I thought. The amount of sound editing I have to do for that, because I cannot keep one voice tone silent, loud English. So there is a chance I actually fuck one of them up. I need better tools. Workshop. I need a will to live. I need, I don't know, like a Porsche? I need a Porsche. Watch me being the guy that becomes a meme for installing a armrest. Couldn't be me, man. That is actually way too short. I would have loved that to be at least way bigger. It has that cool effect that you can like change it up in size, so I can probably still put just my elbow on there and rest it. It's so stupid you have to do it that way. Yeah, now we got that problem. I cannot reach. That is the most fucked up thing. Okay, so my bit is just not thick enough. No, you're perfect. The big ones just hurt. That last touch just right there, was a bit too much. I'm sorry, guys. I should have mounted my microphone on my cap. Okay, this will be such an impossible mission. Yeah, that needs way more. How am I supposed to do that? Did it break already? Dude, that car is gonna be such a meme on the internet. Just wait for when you see my solution for the cup holder though. There's so much screw dust already on that bit. Holy heck. Oh, I rested on my armrest. The guy that found that thing was like rude to people like me. Dude, I started a channel, not like, I'm not fucking TJ Hunt. If I just educated myself more. You are a piece of garbage. Almost rounded out the screw already. Does that? No, it doesn't change. Shit. Yeah, I probably just destroyed the screw. That thing will never go anywhere ever. There's no way I just actually destroyed that screw. Alrighty, so I found some more tools. I mean, that is janky as fuck. When it works, I will actually not complain. Dude, there's actually no way I fucked that up so hard. That screw is actually like destroyed. And even my fucking wrench, my wrench's head is too big. What stupid shit. You need to be able to screw around the corner. That is so stupid. I just found a whole ass cigarette. How badly did I do a job of cleaning that thing? I just screw in the other one? That thing is like gone forever. I actually have to try and screw the whole screw in just with a wrench. Would actually be so cool if my tools were magnetic, right? So, okay, it is janky. Of course it is janky. It's cheap. The problem is, as long as I don't have this screw tightened, I will not trust that thing. I don't know how much you can see, but this screw right here is just like millimeter or something. Maybe 2, 3, 4. The screw head actually presses down the material, so it wiggles around the material. It's just on one from the 4 corners. If I try raw dogging that thing, I'm gonna be the smart human being I am, and I'm gonna just brute force it in. I have no idea if I made it better or worse. I mean, it kind of looks really fucked up. Yeah, no, I didn't do anything. I probably just made it worse. I would like always notice that it's not the tightest thing. Like, that whole thing is janky as fuck. And I will always think it is because of that screw. Shit, man. Oh boys, holy shit. I just googled how to get out a rounded screw, and it tells you to use different screw heads. It tells you to take a flat one. It actually worked, and I have no idea if you can see. Oh, it's in my trunk now, but I got it out, which is so good because I can now check if I have screws that are alike size and can replace that. Probably gonna do that off cam because I might need to buy new ones. Doesn't matter to me, I got the screw out, which was the highest amount of feelings I needed. Okay, so now to the problem that I don't have a cup holder anymore. I actually got that thing. I wanted to check that out because this is de-normed, so it fits into the slot of your radio, and there's just one box in here, and there is another one which is supposed to be a cup holder. So as you can see, I already put a cheap radio in here. I think that was like 35 bucks or something. I didn't care how good or bad it was. It just has Bluetooth, and I sit in my car, put my phone here, press play, and then just everything works. So this one is supposed to just come out if you have the radio out. I will just yank on my radio, which is probably not the right thing to do, but I will yank the radio out, and then I think this one should come out just as easily. And then this cheap thing, why are you zooming? Hello? And then this cheap thing is supposed to work. I don't know. I had to get that radio out once already because it didn't work as good anymore. And then you're just supposed to yank that thing here. The reason I'm not trying to disconnect the radio is because we had to do some things so it works. Like it was on all the time, so it would drain the battery all the time, right? So I didn't want to do that. Dude, I'm always resting on my armrest already. I actually am scared that I undo anything of the wiring we had to do, so I'm trying to let that thing be. I swear to God, I watched tutorials on that, and it was supposed to just come out. That sounded more like something broke. Imagine the other one just like not fitting at all. That looks so much smaller. That thing didn't even cost $4, just to clarify. Dude, are you kidding? That is not it, bro. Dude, are you sure about that? That is the most annoying thing I have ever had in my life. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter that I obviously broke that right there. It looks broken. Why does it look broken? That is god awful. Like, that is a scam and a half. Dude, that sounds so bad too. Like, there's no way that just didn't fit, right? I have an ashtray right here. And the first thing that I wanted to order was a 3D printed part that I would put in there, where you can put one big can or two smaller cans, like Red Bull is smaller than Monster, and where you could put those in. That thing would have been $20, which I was completely okay with, but shipping and taxes, like putting it into my country because it comes from another country, would have been twice as much. And like for a little 3D printed part, paying like $60-70, that is not worth it to me. So overall, this whole video was just a huge, massive fucking fail. And I'm so annoyed at that. I'm so pissed. I'm actually pissed. Goddamn. See you later, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.